Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the repair of the ABS module. This ABS is from A210 Mercedes C-Class. This is a very common problem which is modules failing. The problem is a bad contact on the board itself, which needs to be soldered. There are many contacts that need to be soldered. They will be visible after open a lid. Now I will try to show. This is what it looks like. The most difficult thing is to remove the cover. I have such a tool for this. So I'm doing this so you know it works. Well, the work was done. Now it looks like this. Now you need to install in the car and check. Everything is installed. Now you need to take a test ride. The ABS light comes on when driving over 10 miles per hour. As you can see now, the light does not appear.